key. They were relocated here because it's closer to the Exuma's capital, and therefore more accessible to tourists. This sounder is comprised of 3 separate litters, each with about 4 to 7 piglets. Like all piglets, they were born highly developed. They could see and hear at birth and walk within minutes. The youngest pigs are just 6 weeks old, but a lifelong pecking order already exists among siblings. It was established the day they were born, as the piglets competed to suckle from teats. The piglets will nurse for up to 5 months, but even after they've weaned, they'll remain close to their mother and siblings.